Hey, I'm Raechel.
And I'm Ryan.
And we live in 400 square feet in New York City. So we used to live in 240 square feet, so this 400 square feet feels palatial. We were broke with student loans. That's why we started living in small spaces. Something we specifically set out to do for this space is to make everything really modular and movable. And so our dining table has wheels on it. Our couch can clip together and be moved into lots of different shapes.
I feel like the Murphy bed is the best thing. It's life-changing because it makes it easier to even do this. The fact that we can even have 5 people in this space. We've had more than that too.
When you live in a small space, you just your style is function, whatever works and is easy to keep clean. You kind of have to let go of where things are supposed to go. And we keep all of our dry goods that would normally be in a cabinet in the fridge, and then I keep my office supplies where normal food would normally go.
Maybe there is a thing that you want to have. You're oh no man, I need a 170-inch TV. I really have to have it. It's a pain in the butt, but as soon as you put it on wheels, it's you've got a couple feet back, or I don't have a TV that big.
On a busy day, there's 5 different layouts that I'll do.
We wake up, we put the bed away, I make coffee for
Lots
both
of
of
coffee.
us. Yeah, that's my thing.
But then when it's time for me to work, I'll pull the table out into the middle so I can enjoy the really nice view. When I'm home alone and I just want to lounge and read a book, I'll make it into an L-shaped under the window. And then in the evenings or on the weekends, if we're having a nice dinner, we will move the couch out of the corner and put the dining table in the window, which is super nice. The New Yorker building is right there, and it's in big lights glowing red.
So my favorite thing about Midtown is
we don't live in Midtown.
Okay, but it's like Midtown.
No, it's not.
It's Hell's Kitchen.
We live in Hell's Kitchen.
Sorry everybody.
Sorry.
Okay, to me, the part that I love about this area of the city is it's so efficient, just stacked people on top of one another. And I feel I'm in a city and I'm embracing that way of life.
We kind of treat our neighborhood as the rest of our apartment.
Our old place didn't have a freezer, so I sort of got to know the local bodega guy pretty well because I'd be in there once or twice a week to get a Ben & Jerry's. It seems kind of weird to admit that I hang out just at a corner store, basically.
Sometimes it's hard to have more than a couple people over at once, so we'll go to the taco shop nearby to host people there. So we kind of try to treat the neighborhood as outsourcing the jobs of our apartment that can't be done here.
When we went on vacation recently, and the place that we were staying in was huge.
We were constantly saying, what? Because we're used to being in the same room and just having a normal level voice speaking.
Every now and then we'll get a piece of furniture that's oh, it's perfect, it's wonderful, except it's 4 inches too low. Yeah, so you're oh, so do I want to spend a year trying to find another table, or can I just buy some custom hardware from this website, my favorite website in the world, called McMaster Car. So we just installed the lift on this table and now it's wonderful.
We all have ugly stuff, and I like to put all the ugly stuff in one place, preferably not where you're spending most of your time. So for us, our entryway is not going to win any design awards. So yeah, just keep all your ugly stuff in one place, and then the rest of your apartment can be really nice.